This is a tough way of life. Hot, dusty, gritty, wet. At times, unforgiving. And it calls for tools that won't let you down. Tools that work hard, take a beating, make you better at the job. When we created VacMaster Professional, there was no blueprint, just our own knowledge and expertise as pros, and a relentless drive to build a better wet-dry vac. More powerful, more functional, faster, quieter, easier, cleaner. VacMaster Professional reinvents the wet-dry vac category. Re-engineered for more suction and speed. Built-in, unrivaled airflow technology. Redesigned from the top down for more convenient use, no matter the task. That's power working in harmony for superior performance. Any job, every mess, master.
Hey there! Today, I want to present 3 amazing pro hammers from Fuller Tool. These ripping, claw, and framing one-piece hammers are not only easy on the hands, but impeccably designed with magnetic nail starters. First up, we have our 15-ounce steel claw hammer, model 600-9116. The one-piece construction of this hammer gives it the rigidity and strength needed for any job around the house or work site. From driving nails to ripping out wooden studs, this is sure to become the first hammer you reach for in your toolbox. Our claw hammer features a slightly beveled edge to prevent chipping, triple composite grip for better control, and improved ergonomic design for greater comfort. Now let's check out the 21-ounce steel framing hammer, model 600-9120. The modern design is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Modern hammers have more streamlined profiles, which reduce weight while maintaining the same striking force as heavier hammers. This reduces fatigue and improves accuracy. Our framing hammer features a magnetic nail starter, which allows one-handed nail placement, a milled face, which reduces the risk of glancing blows, and a vibration-absorbing grip. Finally, let's take a closer look at our 21-ounce steel ripping hammer, model 600-9122. Get ready to experience a hammer that will impress you with its perfect workmanship.
Introducing the DeWalt No. DGC530 Tool Backpack with integrated 20-volt USB charging system. This one-of-a-kind backpack is built and designed for comfort and convenience. Powered by a DeWalt 20-volt max lithium-ion battery. The integrated charging system is capable of charging 2 USB-compatible devices simultaneously. The 3 internal wall pockets fit a wide range of gadgets, from smartphones and tablets to small laptops with USB-C input. The 3 large exterior utility pockets are great for hauling gear, while multiple internal pockets provide safe storage for tools, accessories, and much more. The padded adjustable shoulder straps and a padded back keep you comfortable while carrying the backpack. Power up and stay prepared with the DeWalt 20-volt max charging system tool backpack. DeWalt guaranteed tough.
A lunchbox that unfolds into an eating mat. So you can serve your meal anytime, anywhere. Just pull one zipper and you'll have your table set no matter where you are. At the office, in the park, or a romantic dinner. We'd rather have you not eat like this. One significant advantage of Foldy is its ability to be, spell it with us, modular. A regular day at work, pack it small and make it compact. Just 1 or maybe 2 containers. Bulking up for the gym, maybe 3 will suit your needs. Long day ahead, easily pack up to 4. And, of course, you can carry it or not carry it. Plus, the mat is reversible, so you have 2 styles in 1. An insulation layer inserted between the faces keeps the temperature steady. Magnetic bands hold the dips and cutlery in place. And when things get messy, simply throw it in the washing machine. Now, let's talk containers. We don't believe in awkward shapes. We design them to be fair and square. 6.5 wide by 2 inches tall, so you can fit them for less, for more, and for all. Liquids? When it comes to liquids, there is nothing safer than a screw cap. That's why we have a container just for that, with extra foam installation. Because your support is essential for us at this stage, all Kickstarter backers will have a free liquid container included. But wait, there's more. Containers come with a food separator, so you can easily portion your meals. When needed, custom gel packs fit between containers, cooling both of them. Foldeat's holding ring can keep you entertained. So yes, Foldeat has it all. Packing and eating on the go will be so simple, you'll even be able to keep up with your New Year's resolution diet. Back Foldeat now and make it your essential tool for a healthier lifestyle.